Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create this beautiful animation by using geometry nodes. In this animation, we use different types of geometry nodes to create this beautiful simulations like mesh to volume, distribute point in volume, instance on point, map range, wave textures, and much more. So by using geometry nodes, you can create this beautiful animation. So how we can create this animation? So let's start. First I open the Blender, select all and delete everything. Then press Shift A to add a text and rotate this text along x-axis to 90 degree. Beautiful. Now enter into the edit mode of this text and here I hit the letter K. Beautiful. Back to the object mode and in text properties here I give some extrude value to this text, something like nice. Beautiful. Now I convert this text into the mesh and in object I set the origin to the geometry. Nice. And then press Shift S and selection to the cursor. Beautiful. Nice. Now I enter into the geometry nodes and I collapse this panel and hit the new. Here I add some nodes to create this beautiful animation. So for that I add some node, press Shift A and here I search mesh to volume. Here is mesh to volume and connect this and I also insert another node which is distribute point in volume. Beautiful. And here I select grid. Nice. And I also add another node instance on point by pressing Shift A and here I search instance on points and here I enter and here I select the instance object is icosphere. Here is icosphere and connect with the instances. Nice. And here the subdivision level I select 2 and reduce the radius and here I carefully added the value because the larger value can crash the Blender. Beautiful. After inserting the value in XYZ 0.020 we get the nice result and now I add set shade smooth to these icosphere. For that I enter another node, set shade smooth and here I place. Now the icospheres are smoothed and now I add another nodes which is map range. Press Shift A and here I add map range and connect this with the scale and add another node which is wave textures. Press Shift A to add wave texture and connect with the value of the map nodes. Nice. And here I can into the rings, and here I select spherical, and here you can see the nice result. Beautiful. After fixing some values, now if we can change the phase offset, then we can see that a beautiful animation is created. Now we add keyframe to these phase offset. So for that I open the timeline, and here I press I to insert keyframe, and the end of this animation I select 100, and the 100 frame, and here I hit the 30 phase offsets and press I to insert another keyframe. Beautiful. And here you can see, if we run the simulation, then beautiful animation is created. Nice. Also the interpolation mode is linear. Now I apply material to this animation. So for that I enter the set material node here, and in material viewport, and here I assign some material like this kind of material, and here I select my material. You can see that we create a beautiful text animation by using geometry nodes. Nice. Thanks for watching.